Today, I want to take a different approach to Biden plays. So we've mentioned on the show several times that there's different SPACs that could be winners long term with that focus on clean energy and electric vehicles under the Biden administration. But today I want to highlight two SPACs, both pre-merger announcements that have direct ties to the Joe Biden administration through their management team. So up first, we have PIPP, Pine Island Acquisition. This one's still trading as units, so it's actually PIPPU, Aerospace, Defense, and Government Services. So their team behind this SPAC includes Tony Blinken, who's Biden's pick for Secretary of State, and General Lloyd Austin, Biden's Secretary of Defense pick. The SPAC raised $218 million. The filing said that the company is well suited to take advantage of the current and future opportunities present, and kind of highlighted on its management team and their experience, within those industries. We've seen a couple hedge funds and some large activity with 7% stakes, 5% stakes that were actually done before the Biden announcements, just based on the strong management team. Now, I do want to note that the company has said that both of those, Blinken and Austin, will divest in their stake if they're confirmed by Senate. So we don't have to worry about any, kind of gray area here going forward. They wouldn't own directly in the company if they are part of that Biden team. Now, the team also includes John Tain, who's the former CEO of Merrill Lynch prior to their merger with Bank of America. He was also the CEO of CIT Group. And this team includes the Undersecretary of Defense for Policy under Obama, and it also includes 4 senators and the former House Minority Leader. So talk about a team that's got direct experience within the aerospace and the government services market. So this is one I really like here. Again, direct ties to Biden, but more importantly, that direct experience within the aerospace and government services market. And up next, we have ACTC. So this is Arclight Clean Transition Corp. This one just started trading common shares as ACTC, and their direct tie is they have one of their team members is on Biden's clean energy team. So I want to find her here. So Audrey Lee, she's on the board of directors. She was the former vice president of Sunrun Incorporated, which is a publicly traded company, symbol RUN. So she also was a government appointee to the California Public Utilities Commission. So she is the co-chair and co-founder of the Clean Energy for Biden, group. So again, direct ties to Biden. She's got tons of experience within solar energy and clean energy, which again are big areas of focus for Biden. She served on the senior economics for the U.S. Department of Energy from 2005 to 2011. So tons of experience within those energy legislation departments. Arclight, the company behind this, they own several clean energy assets, totaling over 5 gigawatts of renewable energy. They have the largest wind project in the U.S. in Alta Wind that they own, and they also have a hydroelectric plant. So they have several assets too, to where they could be looking at maybe taking one of those public. But the ties here with Audrey Lee being attached, her being on that Biden clean energy plan, I think it's going to give her some foresight into what really are the growth markets going to be in clean energy under the Biden transition. So this is one that I think people need to look at because it has that strong team, it has the ties to Biden, and then we will see a huge shift to clean energy, especially solar energy, going forward.